In this video, we will be showing you how to install your Clatorans CL-RF05 replacement filter number 3 ice and water refrigerators. Step 1. Remove your new filter from its packaging. Lift the orange cap from the top of the filter. Be sure to check the black O-rings are still in place. Step 2. Locate your filter in your refrigerator. For filter number 3, you will find it on the left side of the base grill. Remove the filter by pressing and holding down the eject button while pulling straight out on the filter's cap. Remove the filter cartridge cap by turning it counterclockwise until it stops and the ridges align. Step 3. Then pull the cap straight off the end of the cartridge. Set aside the filter cap and do not discard. Note: excess water may spill from the old filter, so have a towel handy. Step 4. Time to install your new Clatorans filter. Place the filter cartridge cap on the new filter by aligning the ridge on the cap with the arrow on the filter. Turn the cap clockwise until it stops and snaps into place. Hold the assembled cap and filter unit by the lip of the cap so that the filter cartridge arrow is facing upwards. Align the filter and cap unit with the opening in the grill base and push the new filter into the hole. Once the filter is completely inserted, the eject button will pop back out. Now flush water from the dispenser for 5 minutes, or approximately 3 gallons, to clear the system and prevent air from entering. Note: the initial flow rate may be slower than expected. Full flow rate should be restored within 24 to 36 hours. If needed, reset the filter indicator light by holding the reset button for 3 to 5 seconds until it turns green. To maximize contaminant reduction, including pharmaceuticals, replace your filter every 6 months. Clatorans, keeping the whole family safe and hydrated.